How to redeem PS5 gift card. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can redeem PlayStation 5 gift card. So then to redeem your PlayStation 5 gift card, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, all you have to do is just go ahead and log in into your PlayStation account, turn on your PS5, and after that go to my dashboard or the store, and that's going to take you to this sort of interface. Here you need to go ahead and tap on redeem code located in the left hand side bar. As you click on the redeem code button, that's going to directly take you to the field where you need to go ahead and enter in the 12-digit voucher code. After you're done entering all of this information, you need to click on a continue button, and then you've successfully redeemed your PlayStation gift card. So in this way, you can redeem your PlayStation 5 gift card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.